Something's going on out there. That might reach him. Bang, right, look at them boil up, my God. Something's chasing it. Did you see that? Oh, that's a fish on. Hey guys, welcome to the video. Thought I'd come down for a fish just down the beach. I've got no bait at all. I got home yesterday only to find my fridge had stopped working probably about a week ago. Everything in the freezer liquefied. Let me tell you, the smell wasn't great. So I've got no meat in the fridge or freezer. I got no bait, so I'm just going to toss a lure around. And whenever I surf fish, and I sometimes put a popper on the top dropper, it's usually that one that gets hit. So I'm just going to put 2 poppers out there and see what happens. We'll have a bit of an experiment. But I've got no meat, so I need to catch a fish for dinner. And it's beautiful conditions, so let's see how we go. I've got a 12 volt fridge that I run directly off solar. Solar panel, battery. And the charge controller died. So the fridge is fine. I just need a new charge controller. And the battery drained right down, so I'm hoping that's not buggered. But anyway, I've ordered a couple of charge controllers now, so I'll keep one on standby. But I've just got to wait for them to arrive. But meanwhile, I've got to catch my fish to eat. This beach looks different every time I come back home. Wow, have a look at these dunes here. Crazy. This will do, nice high spot. Beautiful conditions actually. It's right on low tide, unfortunately. I'm just approaching low tide. Yeah, it's just after 10 minutes after low tide, so it's a rising tide. I guess that's a good thing. Let's see how we go. Just get a sinker on that. So I use the smaller one. Certainly don't need a big sinker today. So we've got the blue popper at the top and green one down the bottom. Blue usually works well. I got a light outfit this time. I got the Powergraph 12 footer and I've got the 6000 Quantum Reliance. It's a brand new reel, this one. So let's hope we get onto something. Big cast. Yeah, that's a good spot. Yep. I'll tell you what, it feels pretty strange casting out with no bait. And I've got this little jig on this one, which I'll have a few casts with. Something's going on out there. That looks like a school or something there. See the dark patch? And there seems to be activity in it. There's no birds around, unfortunately. Yeah, there is. That's fish. That's definitely a school of something. I'm just wondering why there isn't birds around. Something's chasing it. Did you see that? Something was chasing the bloody jig. That might reach him. Bang, right, look at them boil up, my God. Whatever it is, they don't like this jig. I quickly changed lure, I think. I put a little stinger out there. Tell you what, seeing things like that always gets me excited. Will they take it though? That's the thing. See if I can reach him. This one doesn't have the weight. I'll get right down low. Nah, I fell short of him. What was the other lure I had in there? Oh yeah, the big fella. I'll put him just for the distance. I should be able to get the distance. No, they're still just out of reach. Oh, look at him jumping everywhere, my God. Look at him jump. I don't know if you saw that. Well, it's been a bit over an hour. No sign of life other than that school of what I think were mullet. So, I don't like this tide anyway, so I might call it for now, come back down the Savo. High tide I think is around somewhere between 1 and 2 the Savo. I might come back, give it a go then. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, I'll see you back down here later on. Okay, it's about half an hour to high tide. And I'll tell you what, it actually looks lower than it was this morning. But according to Willy Weather, it's half an hour to high tide. We've got an offshore blowing, so that's keeping it down. But anyway, let's get those poppers back in the water. toss this thing around as well. No birds in sight. It really doesn't look very fishy. That's a fish on. That is a fish on. What do we got? He's just in the... Oh, here he comes up with the wave. We may have a tailor here. Oh no, she's a salmon. Yeah, that'll do. Well, that's dinner sorted. Gotta love that. I'm going to see if I can get a few more of them. There you go. That's dinner sorted. I don't want to catch another one. I've got nowhere to put it. I don't have a fridge, remember? So I'll come down again tomorrow morning, see if I can catch tomorrow's dinner. I'm happy with that. Look at that. Beautiful pan-sized salmon. Lovely. Oh, and I've got a bag in the back pocket too. How's that for confidence? Nothing on the poppers, unfortunately. Alright, I'm going to call it quit. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, I'll see you up there, guys. Okay, I didn't want to bore you with the filleting. You've seen me fillet a fish plenty of times. So I've got the fillets here, ready to go. I just took the fillets off, skin off. All I've got in here, as you saw, a bit of flour and some curry powder, bit of salt. We'll chuck our fillets in there. Give them a toss through. Very, very simple one. Alright, they're ready to go. Actually, I've got the wings too, so I might throw them in as well. Give them a coating. Gonna fry them up. I like chewing on those. Well, that went okay today. A bit of a shame about my fridge. Lost all my food and my bait, so that's the way it goes. I've got to wait for new parts to get that going again, so hopefully I can go down again tomorrow and catch my dinner. And every other day this week. I don't like my chances every day, but anyway, this turned out just nice. Let's have a taste of this one. Oh, that's a nice piece of fish there. They're all nice pieces of fish. Mm-hmm. Oh, they're good curry. I love the curry powder with them. That was simple as just a bit of flour and curry. Oh, it's so nice. Have a look at it. I'm loving it. It is so nice. It's just basmati rice with some carrot, zucchini and broccolini, and onion and garlic, of course. Very simple. Let's have a taste of it. Oh yeah, that goes with it just nicely. I've got the wings there to chew on after the other pieces, so that's going to be good. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. It turned out okay in the end. I got dinner. That was the whole objective with no bait. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow if I catch a fish. But I'll see you on the next video anyway. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna go and smash this. Actually, I'll just have one more cast while I'm here. I can't leave without having just one more cast. Isn't that always the story?